I love the BOSTITCH nailer. It's so nice not having a hose hooked up to it. It's not very heavy, especially with the batteries attached to it, so using it all day doesn't really wear me out.
The cordless nailer seems to be a lot lighter and a lot more versatile. It's smaller. We're always sticking these things into small spaces, and the ability to move it around over your head without the hose is a big plus for us.
This is very light, very easy to maneuver. Actually, I suffer from tendonitis in this arm. Even with that, because of the weight of the tool, it didn't irritate my arm or anything.
We need to be able to move on a moment's notice, and I think with this product we can very easily move from one project to another one. So just to be able to just shoot and go very quickly and effectively.
Power's good. Really surprised by it as well. I was actually kind of hesitant starting to work with it, but after using it both on the single shot and the multi-shot functions of it, didn't have a problem shooting the nails in or anything like that.
I mean, it definitely does save time, not having to worry about getting the lines out, not having to worry about cleaning them up. It's great to have in the toolbox, absolutely.